Today I want to talk about depression. Surprise, surprise. And I want to talk about my plan to get out of it. And I don't think it's a very strong plan, but baby steps. Baby steps. So, for those of you who don't know, I struggle with bipolar disorder. More than half of that is taken up by depression. And I got hit with a really bad wave of it. And um, so bad that every time I think about crocheting, which brings me so much joy, um, I just have a panic attack. And I go to sleep for 3 hours or 4 hours. And um, I really want to get out of this. Been to the hospital, almost gone to the hospital again. For suicidal thoughts, and I have been just trying to take care of my mental health, and by take care of my mental health, I mean basically I haven't been doing anything. I haven't been using my skills. I haven't been taking care of my hygiene, which I know is really gross to even talk about, but you know, I saw this video as I was scrolling through Facebook and looking through like Facebook Reels and stuff like that. And this woman was talking about how she didn't love herself and she was going to start a self care journey to fix that. And I was like, that's a really fucking good idea. I need to do that. I need to do something like that. So today is Tuesday, the 15th of February, 2023. And I'm going to start taking some steps to be able to take care of myself. Sorry, my camera's kind of wacky. I think that's the first time I've used the word wacky in like 100 years. But I want to start. Sorry if my camera moves. Just trying to figure out what I want to do. And I'll put a little checklist. I'll try to see how it goes. Editing's not my strong suit, which is why I don't edit most of my video. So I guess the first thing I would like to do is shower every day. And this might be a given, but I do feel better when I shower every day. I just don't do it because I don't wash my hair every day. And with my curls, it's just not good for it. But that doesn't mean that I shouldn't shower every day, so I need to stop using that as an excuse. And then I need to wear fresh clothes every day. I need to brush my teeth twice a day. I need to style my hair when I do wash it. It's a bit of a long process. I did this whole video series where I was like comparing Walmart products to professional products, and I thought it was kind of fun, but then my self-doubt was like kind of crippling about it. If you guys want to see that video, I can definitely show you. It was, I thought, pretty interesting if you have curly hair like I do, but you might not find it as interesting. That's kind of what I gathered, is like, no one's gonna watch this. This is gonna be so boring. Because when I did the my earbud review, no one really watched it, so it was kind of like, okay, well, I guess these comparison videos aren't really my wheelhouse, but that's okay. So I just didn't post it. But I have all the footage, most of the footage, and yeah. So if you want to see that, how I style my hair, not like this. This is just like washing and go. I didn't do anything to it. I just pissed it off. um, let's see. I style my hair. Let's see. Wash my face twice a day. And I want to do one more thing. Hygiene. What else would be good for hygiene? And this is just going to be week one. Week one, I'm just focusing on hygiene. If other good things come out of it, then I'm more than happy to add those to the mix. I'm not limiting myself to these good things, but I need to try. So I'm gonna try to floss twice this week. I know that's not much, but it's something. And I'm gonna try these 6 things and see how they go. And yeah, so just trying to get out of this funk and back into feeling like a human again. I also hope to crochet, but I'm not going to put that on the list because this week I want to dedicate directly to self-care and hygiene, and really self-care as it pertains to hygiene, because I think that's like a essential step into going up. So I will keep you all posted in as to how this is going and try to do more lives. I just haven't felt like, because I haven't had any Crojo whatsoever, I haven't really wanted to do lives because I'm like, what do I have to talk about? I can't, like, I have no motivation to do anything anymore. So we'll figure it out. And I'm starting the day. It's 7:15 in the morning, and I'm going to try to get some stuff out of the way. And so week one will be this. Something else I want to do. Actually, let me add one thing. I want to make a motivation playlist. So if you have any songs that get you hype, get you happy, get you going in the morning, whether it's metal, whether it's rock, whether it's country, whether it's rap, whether it's R&B, whether it's soul, whether it's liturgical music, like whatever gets you going, please share with me. I'll add it to the list, no questions asked. And we'll just keep going, keep riding this motivation wave as long as I have it. I would say out of a scale of 0 to 100, I'm probably at like 10. Like, I'm making this video, so that's as good as it gets. But let's see if we can up that motivation score a little bit. And yeah, so I'll talk to you all later. I love you.